That's where the confusion has started. Many people saw headlines mentioning 3D printers and immediately assumed all 3D printers were getting banned, but the reality is way more specific than that. In 2026, several states started discussing stronger laws related to 3D printed firearms. New York introduced one of the biggest proposals. The idea behind the proposal is to require certain safeguards that could stop printers from creating certain restricted designs. Some lawmakers also want limits on sharing digital files tied to manufacturing of firearms. Other states have introduced similar legislation focused specifically on ghost guns. The important detail here is that these proposals are not banning 3D printing as a hobby. They're targeting a narrow category connected to firearm production.